Hello guys, I'm Sophia. Welcome back our YouTube channel. Today our topic is color correction of blonde hair. And now let me show you many beautiful color blonde hair. As you know, Vietnamese blonde hair is the best selling hair texture on the hair market, especially loved by African wholesale hair sellers for its high quality and long durability. Our blonde hair is originally 100% Vietnamese human hair. Blonde hair has a nice and natural style and can maintain its style for a long time. We have many different colors for any customer needs, from dark to light color, ombre color, highlight color, and so on. At our factory, we specialize in supplying large quantity of blonde hair to hair shop or hairstylists all over the world. So please contact me to get wholesale deal with affordable right now. And here is my WhatsApp number. If you find this video interesting and want to know more about us, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.